Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be discussing why I bought the Osmo 3 over the Osmo 4. To be honest, I didn't know what to expect after owning the Osmo 2. The Osmo 2 has been great to me, but I had no idea how much better the Osmo 3 was going to be. Improved features include a more compact design that folds down into a very handy small size, improved motor strength, new app, and many other features that make the recording process much easier and much better. Now, one of the reasons I chose the Osmo 3 over the Osmo 4 when I was looking at a new gimbal to purchase was partly because of the price. I picked up the Osmo 3 for £94, and the equivalent for the Osmo 4 was going to set me back about £140. So quite a difference, and considering they do pretty much the same thing apart from some small changes such as a slightly better motor, I think. It's got the magnetic holder, which arguably is easier to lose and perhaps more of a design feature than a function feature. However, the Osmo 4 looks like a cool device as well, well made, and with a magnetic feature helps support larger phones. I have an iPhone SE, so if you have a larger phone like an 11, 12 or 12 Plus, then the Osmo 4 might be a better option. They have refined the motors even more, and you have the option of a stick-on feature to the back of your phone, so arguably it's even quicker to get the gimbal set up and ready for shooting. Overall, I went with the Osmo 3 because I thought they seemed pretty similar, and especially at the price point, this seemed like a really good buy. The tracking is very simple to use. You simply select an object such as your own face, draw a square, and then it will follow this wherever you move. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the new gimbal comes with a new app called the DJI Mimo, and this app is very easy to use, self-explanatory, and works very well with all the functions. Here's a quick shot of my electric bass. So thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing.